Welcome back to A&A. Working on the Toyota Corolla again today, and I'm going to add cruise control to it. That's a little unusual that the car was even made without cruise control, because I think you pretty much nowadays have to special order a vehicle without cruise control. But it'll surprise you to know that most vehicles, even though may not come with cruise control, they're still built with that capability, already factory installed. You're just missing the doodads to actually turn the cruise control on. So on this car, let me show you what it takes. And there's an awful lot of videos out on YouTube that show people doing this, but there's a trick that they're leaving out. I'll show you what that is. Okay, I got you in the car, and so like I said, it's Toyota Corolla, and usually, which I'm not going to show you taking the steering wheel off and all that, there's two cover plates on each side of this plastic shroud that you take off, because you got to get to a bolt here, a bolt over here, that will let you get the airbag out. So a lot of the videos, what they show you doing is, I've got my switch here. If you had one with cruise control, the switch would be located right here. Wire out of the way there. So there's two screw holes. There's one right here, and there's one right here. There's a little locator pin right there. So put the screws in, and so we put the stalk in. This plug, it goes right here. Plug that in. Now we have cruise control. Nothing else you have to do, nothing else you have to connect. We've got cruise control. However, when we took our airbag off, this little pigtail right here is for your horn. It was plugged into here. So now we don't have a horn. And there's nothing that I found on the internet that tells you what you need to do. So that's what I'm fixing to do right now. It comes down to the pins. If you look at this connector right here, my two wires for the cruise control stalk is on the two bottom. All right, now let's take a look at the pigtail for the horn. That wire is in the upper left-hand corner. Well, let's see how many pins are underneath this. This is your clock spring right here. So how many pins is inside there? Let me see if I can get the light on. All right, can you see that? There's 3 pins in an L shape. There's 2 on the bottom, and oh look, there's one in the upper left-hand corner. The one in the upper left-hand corner is where the horn had plugged into. The 2 on the bottom didn't have anything plugged in because, well, this car didn't come with cruise control. So what we need to do is, we need to combine the horn wire from that pigtail into this connector in the upper left-hand corner right there. Need a special tool for that. Guess what? I got one. All right, that didn't work out quite the way I had planned. What you need is some of these little keys right here. What they do is you can slip them See, these wires have a little end on them, and then they slide into this plastic connector, and there's a tab in there that they grab onto so they won't come off. So what you do is you take them little keys, and there's supposed to be a place you can slide them into this plastic connector to release the tab. You can pull the wires out. Well, this one didn't want to release, so I got brutal with it. I took a small pair of needle nose pliers, and I pulled this side over right here like that, and the if I can do this one. Well, it has grabbed hold. It has grabbed a hold again. Anyway, I have to get the pliers back out. I pulled that over to the side, and this plastic piece just slid right off. And I'm one-handed now. Let me lay the phone down. It has grabbed a hold again, but that's all right. I got it. Okay, I got it off. So here's the wire with the plastic connector on it. So now all I got to do is insert it into the upper left, and let me see if I can do this one-handed. We'll just unplug it off of the actual steering wheel here, or the airbag here. Okay, so here's the wire that goes to the horn. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plug this. Go ahead and plug this in. Now I'm gonna attempt to, since I'm one-handed, I'm gonna attempt to slide this in. I'm not sure which direction it goes. It should only go one way. And it should click. All right, so doing it like this. I'm just gonna slide it into that upper left one. It should click when it grabs a hold. I may have it upside down here. Try this way. It's in there. I don't know if it grabbed. Let's take this connector out and see. All right, seems like it's in there pretty good. So, horn's connected, cruise is connected. I'm gonna put my two little screws in. I'm gonna put this back on the airbag, get the airbag all bolted in and everything. We'll take it for a test drive. We're gonna try the horn, we're gonna try the cruise. Let's see if our upgrade was successful. Before we pull out, let's just test the horn. Awesome. Now, let's hit the highway and see if the cruise control works. Okay, we're getting up to speed now, and I'm gonna turn the cruise on. Ah, the cruise indicator light come on. All right, now I'm gonna set it, see if it'll hold. Foot's off the gas. And she's holding steady at 69, 70 miles per hour. So we've got cruise control. Awesome. Cost me $25 for the little stalk. And that's all it cost me. Because you can get the original Toyota brand used ones on the interwebs for not much more than a brand new China made one, and so those are $15. I'll pay $25 for the original Toyota. Works. I'm cruising, foot's off the gas. Awesome. Horn works. We're all good. Y'all have a good day. Appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you've enjoyed the video, if you got something out of it, give us a thumbs up. Send us a message. Let us know how your project worked out. above all, be kind to one another. See you next time.